How to fix digital creator missing on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you can find your profile picture. Click on it. You will land to your profile page. Now here you're going to find this three dots option. Click on it. You will land to the profile settings page. Here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of turn on professional mode. Click on it. Click on turn on. Now you can fulfill all these requirements and you can head back to your profile page. And with that, you will find the option of digital creator in your profile page. In the case you cannot find this option over here, what you can do is close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to this latest version. Once completion of update process, you might find the option. If you still cannot find the option, what you can do is head towards the menu page, scroll all the way down, navigate to the option of help and support, click on report a problem, click on continue to report, click on include, scroll all the way down and then click on other. Now here you have to explain about an issue that digital creator mode is missing in your Facebook account and send it. After you send it, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours and your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily fix digital creator missing on Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.